Hi guys, good evening, good evening. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Al Horsan Park. Malapit to sa Caladia. So, meron tayong event here, Mubadala VIP Gala Dinner. So, ang nag-sponsor nito is Black Rock. Tapos, hawak siya ng Four Seasons Hotel. So, ayan guys. Big event ng mga bigating tao. So, for international, for gala dinner only. So, this is my outfit for today. Rest muna kasi mag-start mamaya ng mga 7 o'clock p.m. So, ayan guys. This is my video for today. Pero ang ganda ng view guys. Kita mo. Malapit to sa Itisalat. Harap ng Itisalat. Harap malapit sa Mark Spencer. Ayan. So, maganda dito mag-walking-walking. Ayan. So, ayan guys. This is my video for today. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Yan. Work, work, work. It's my work time. Bye. See you. Bye.